I'm gonna show you how to link your Google Authenticator into Gate.io. So to get started, you have to open your profile settings, and then from there you have to click another end profile settings. And then from there you just scroll down and click on Google Authenticator. The first one, we will see a code right there. You need to copy that one so you can paste it on your Google Authenticator. The second one is from your email. And then the third one is from the Google Authenticator app. So next you need to open your Google Authenticator app and then go to the Google Authenticator, then click the add button. And then from there, you just have to enter a new key. So from there, you have to input the gate.io since you need it for gate.io, and then paste your key that you copied earlier. And then from there, you can also change the code or type. From there, you just have to click on time. And then from there, you just have to click on add. And then once you added it, a code will show up. So you need to copy this one and paste it into gate.io. And on gate.io, once you pasted the code from email and the code from the Google Authenticator, you just have to click on enable Google Authenticator. And from there, you successfully linked your Google Authenticator to Gate.io.